This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the passenger's footwell. Lift the bonnet slightly, depress the safety catch, fully raise the bonnet and support it with the prop. Unclip the battery main cover, then release the clip and remove the side cover. Slacken the nut, then using a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp from the battery negative terminal. Position the clamp to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Undo the two retaining nuts. Remove the positive terminal jump start connection plate and the positive lead connection plate. Undo the retaining bolt and remove the battery clamp. Slide the battery across, disconnect the breather hose and lift the battery from place. Take care as it's heavy. If required, slacken the nut and pull the positive lead clamp from the battery positive terminal. Clean any corrosion from the lead clamps using a wire brush. Press the positive lead clamp down onto the battery positive terminal and tighten the retaining nut securely. Maneuver the battery into position in the tray, then reconnect the breather hose. Refit the battery clamp and tighten the retaining bolt securely. Refit the positive lead connection plate and jump start connection plate to the positive terminal clamp, then tighten the retaining nuts. Press the negative lead clamp down over the battery negative terminal and tighten the retaining nut. Apply a little petroleum jelly to the battery terminals and clamps to help prevent corrosion. Refit the battery covers, ensuring the clips engage correctly. Remove the prop from the bonnet, then clip the prop into the storage bracket and close the bonnet.